Hi everyone. Before I go, I want to introduce you to Vincent Benasso. He's leading the launch of the next generation of residential products coming in early 2022, and he's going to give us a sneak preview. Hi Vincent, tell us why contractors will want to know more about this new offering.
Hi Leslie. When ABB acquired GE's Industrial Solutions business, we focused on building an all-new residential offering, one that is flexible, reliable, easier to install, and available at the distributor or retail locations that contractors are already visiting every day. You know, any contractor can tell you a renovation load center installation versus a new home installation can be quite different. So when we redesigned our PowerMark Pro offering, we looked at it with that in mind, understanding that while not all installations are the same, one panel that can work in any application, existing or new, sure would be convenient. For example, with a renovation, you're probably retrofitting a new panel in a specific space and working with existing wiring. Upgrading that to today's code requirements for expanded arc fault circuit interrupting or AFCI breakers can be tricky. But with the PowerMark Pro panel, you can retrofit AFCIs with ease, regardless of existing or shared neutrals and mixed neutrals in the house and still meet UL. That's convenient and unique to our residential offering. And then for new home installations, the PowerMark Pro Load Center offers plug-on neutral circuit breakers with ABB's ReliLock technology, making installation a snap, saving you time and money. We know every job is different, and there's no assembly lines in new home construction. So with our next generation residential solution, we're just trying to make installations just a little more flexible and easier, no matter what the job.
Thanks Vincent, that does sound like a game changer. So as you can see at ABB, we never stop discovering better ways to power. We're committed to delivering practical solutions to improve your productivity and profitability. We call it Contractor Better. Google #ContractorBetter to learn more about ABB's safe, smart, sustainable solutions. Thank you all for joining us for our NECA Nashville Highlights video series. We're looking forward to seeing you in Austin in 2022.